Now as a demo, we can start building on this pipeline. So in this case, we have this image, but I'll choose another image. And what we can do is I'll remove these connections. And we have a background extractor. So this one didn't have a background. So we can decide to add a background removal block. And we'll remove this here. So we'll select another image, which is an image of a cute cat, a robot cute cat. And we'll connect it to the background extraction and we'll pass it through there. It's good to see before and after. So we'll drop in another view image block here. All right, so now we'll be able to see these. Background extraction passing to canny edge. And yeah, so let's just run this one and see what we get. And yeah, so if you want to follow the logs, you can see them here. And yeah, so as a few little notes, sometimes when you go to modify the requirements or the Docker file, especially requirements, it's important to rebuild the image. So one technique that you can use is basically go change something here. And if you change something here, then it will basically force a rebuild of the image and will integrate the requirements and the Docker file. So they will build a proper image. And so this is very useful. All right, so we're still processing. So in this case, the background extraction was takes a little bit longer. I think it needs to download the model. And yeah, so in the meantime, you have a few blocks here that can be useful. So we have something called the post maker. We have also AI agents. We have OpenAI here, and you can make your own for Anthropic if you want. We also have an API calls to Stability AI for generating images, for stable diffusion images, and so on. So there's a few things, and we have example pipelines here. We have canny edge, background extraction, the post maker that I'll be displaying later. All right, so now we have access to everything here, and that was the original image. The background was extracted, and it generated basically what we wanted. Yeah, and then